Immigration to Canada has become more challenging and unpredictable than ever. With high CRS cutoffs and inconsistent general program draws, the only assured pathway to Canada is by acquiring intermediate CLB 7-level proficiency in the French language. Worry not. With B-Barters, learning the French language is easier than ever. Our TEF and TCF Canada Self-Prep French Learning Program covers everything from the basics to advanced topics. A completely self-driven program allows you to learn at your own pace with engaging video lessons that cover everything from foundational grammar to advanced conversational skills. Each unit comes with session notes and additional study resources to strengthen your understanding. Test your knowledge with a variety of assessments, including quizzes and subjective assignments, all graded by our teachers and AI assistants. Earn points by completing activities such as watching video lessons, submitting assignments, and attending practices. These points reflect your tentative CLB level, motivating you to keep learning and tracking your progress. The more points you earn, the more you level up. Stay fired up by checking your progress with other learners on the leaderboard. Healthy competition can be a great way to push yourself further. Our practical French grammar resource will guide you throughout your French learning process, with simple explanations and plenty of examples. And if that's not enough, you also benefit from one complete TEF exam simulation. Experience realistic testing conditions that will boost your confidence and readiness. Preparing for TEF or TCF exams can be daunting, but B-Barters makes it fun and efficient. Our structured approach, combined with expertly designed study resources and continuous feedback, ensures you stay on the right path. Whether you are aiming to improve your CRS score or simply looking to learn a new language, B-Barters has the perfect solution. Join today and take the first step towards mastering French for your immigration journey. Head over to our website and purchase the program.